So I do this really to save, I would say, a lot of mental stress, to become a better trader, to be better performant, and I teach like traders this.
Welcome back everybody to Master in 5. If you're not quite sure what Master in 5 is yet, you need to go watch all the previous other videos. It's a masterclass in 5 minutes, and today I have a great experienced trader, Jtrader. He's here today joining me to share the importance, and this is going to be amazing because he showed a little bit to me, just the importance of what you should be keeping track of in your journal. So Jay, welcome to the show, brother.
Thank you guys. Thank you to be here. It's a pleasure, and it's for a good cause. A trader for a cause over here.
Absolutely. And you reminded me just now, Red Trades for a Cause,
in Vegas,
which is an amazing event to give back to other people. So you take it away. Let us know why is it so important to track these things, and why do you make this so in-depth list?
So basically you have to evaluate your trading every single day. If you want to be a professional trader, you cannot just simply trade and then go to sleep or do whatever you want. You have to see all of your stats. And stat means like collecting data from your performance. So technically, did you perform good? Did you cut your loser fast? Did you let your wins run? Did you play the playbook? Or didn't play A+ setups? Did you recognize the sideways action? Did you stop out too soon? Did you oversize? Did you anticipate it? So that's part about technical trading. And it's so important because at the end of the week, what you have to do, you have to take like a conclusion. What were you lacking? What do you need to improve? So for example, over here, you're gonna keep a vote every single day of your performance. And you're gonna see how many times you failed or you did good. The next part, and I think is even more important, is about the emotions. So everybody is good to trade after a certain amount of time. It can understand and learn a setup. Right. But how many times we fail for the discipline, we fail for no self-control, we fail maybe because we oversize, revenge trading. Right. For example, we want to be always green. Yes. We don't manage the losses. So over here, I go over the emotion that I had the day. Was I patient? Was I decisive? Was I, for example, stress? Was I, for example, anxious? Based on this, I can see my performance that day. At the end of the week, you forget what happened on Monday or Tuesday. Yep. And then this saves me a lot of time and a lot of stress. And I figure out, okay, I'm, for example, an anxious person. Okay, what I need to do. I'm, for example, anticipating. For example, I revenge trading. Okay, what I need to do. So it gives me really all the stats at a glance each month, each year of how I'm building myself as a trader. You want to be a perfect trader, you have to put all things together, from technical, mental, risk management, and everything is then into your life. Because how many times, for example, we are stress greedy, or we can be not confident, and then we bring this frustration in our life, like with our family and everybody. So I do this really to save, I would say, a lot of mental stress, to become a better trader, to be better performant, and I teach traders this. Yes. This is trading.
Hey, we wouldn't be able to do these face-to-face interviews if it wasn't for our sponsor, Cobra Trading. So if you could just give them a few seconds of your time, we'd really appreciate it. Cobra Trading is the go-to broker for day traders and short sellers. And I'm not the only one saying this. In fact, Benzinga awarded Cobra Trading as the go-to broker for short selling. They have a heavy focus on direct market access order routing, so you have the fastest execution. They have some of the best locate prices and availability. They also have amazing customer service. I've experienced many different brokers, and it's why I use them every single day and why I'm proud to have them as our sponsor. Sign up now by clicking the Be the Trader referral link below and earn 1 free month of software with Cobra and 25% off all commissions. Now let's get back to the show. How do you track it? Are you just putting, if you focused on P&L, for example,
yes,
is it just I focus on P&L X? Because I see you have a score here.
Exactly. So every day I would put yes or no. Did I focus on P&L? For example, no. Today I was disciplined, so we'll put no. At the end of the week, I will have a score. And I will have a score from 0 to 100%. So I can see my performance. Was I a trader for 60%, 80%, or was I an elite trader of 100%? Just to let you know, it's very difficult to be always at the 100%. Maybe you'll be 1 or 2 weeks, but then it will be the third week, it's something will be missing. Maybe you are too stressed out. Maybe you like oversized too much.
Yep.
Maybe you don't have like something good in your life that impact your life, your trading. Okay, your performance will like feel this. So what I do over here, okay, I go back and I see what I can do in order to fix these things.
Yep.
It's part of my routine daily.
I know you help a lot of traders, and you show traders like what they need to focus on. So, out of all of these emotions, is there one that kind of stands out that you feel like a lot of traders really probably fail a lot on score?
Patience.
And if it's patience, then what would you recommend those traders do to improve on that? Because FOMO will make you impatient. So I was just very curious on what people can do to help increase their patience.
Okay, many things. We don't have that much time, but I can tell you this.
Sure.
Before trading, try to do something that's stress off, where you can release the stress. Can be playing video games, can be like eating something, can be like doing gym. For example, what I love to do is doing cardio, because you put out so much endorphins and you raise your serotonin. So you are less stressed because you're like a little bit tired, a little bit fatigued.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you don't have all that adrenaline because you already released it with cardio, already released it with something you love. So when you go in trading, you have a little bit more patience. You're not there waiting and anxious the gate to short right away a front side move.
Yep.
But maybe you train legs, maybe you did 2 hours of squash, whatever, and then you can do it. Now, for people like in the West Coast, it's a little bit more difficult. They wake up, 3, 4, 5 a.m.
Yeah.
So you have also to put that on play. So you can do in the evening before you're going to sleep. Maybe you go walk 45 minutes. Then you can meditate in the morning. You have to review your rules. You really reread them.
Yeah.
And then I would say always one thing: don't drink that too much coffee. That's really so negative for the trading. Try to stay, sober when you trade, eat good, feel good physically.
Yep.
Otherwise, your performance won't be that good.
Well, Jtrader, look, man, I appreciate you so much sharing this knowledge. I know all of y'all are sharing this with other traders because he just dropped some great stuff. And if you're curious on where to find him, could you tell them where they can find out more about you?
You can find me on Twitter, JTraderCo, or also our website, jtrader.co.
Thanks, Jay.
Thanks, my friend.
Absolutely. We're giving away 48 meals this month. You're at your desk, you're busy, you're trading, you're working. You don't have time to go make a delicious, healthy meal. Instead, what do? You order some fast delivery service that isn't healthy. Don't worry, we got you covered because we are partnering with Icon Meals, who creates healthy, delicious meals, and they deliver it right to you. My favorite meal from Icon is the Titan Burrito. It's a breakfast burrito that is filled with egg and potatoes, all the good stuff. And it comes with salsa, because salsa is the best. Now, there are many meals to choose from. That was just my favorite. The way you enter to win is just comment below what you had for lunch today, and then click the link and follow the instructions.